Commissioner and Secretary Ketenat Revenue and Disaster Management ke Jylla Sanjay Goyal Laong ba Jylla ka Banlong ka Penkre na benta ka jingwan jong kani ka Aiom Lyiur. Da ka bakam ba Jylla ka long ka Penkre Henry Uong pan baki habru ban Peitngor ya ka jingwan ka jing Shlei kensan kumba kala jateng haki khengyat snam menshwa hari lom garo.
See the experience, it is the Garo Hills which did of it. The backflow of when Brahmaputra flash floods like we have observed too, I believe, which are and we are on alert. The day for yesterday, the Honorable Chief Minister was at wherever the flooded areas, totally prepared and evacuate the all the households and take them. Most of the cases is at a higher elevation and things like that. Because Meghalaya does experience and flash floods depends on the short possible anywhere as I mentioned. Only vulnerable areas are the areas of the hills and maybe some Peit district. A marked area of the flood every year in Meghalaya in this season.
Yes.
No. Some cases of the water temporarily has receded. The category of floods because for flood an area should be time and all. If it is I mentioned because of the heavy downpours receive possible time, normally we do.